Hey YouTube, this is Wild Bill with Nomad Leather, where leather meets the road, at Pine Valley Reservoir, doing a little fishing. As you can tell, it's gorgeous here, just a slight breeze. Haven't caught anything right now, but don't care. Look at those mountains and the clouds. It doesn't get any better than this. Some other people over here fishing too, some kids. And who knows, fish here for a couple hours and then go back and have something to eat. Haven't had anything to eat since 6 o'clock this morning. So I'm going to get back to my fishing, and that's where the car is parked, or USS Freedom is parked, and I will see you later. Be safe.